The 10th generation 2020 MacBook Pro is ready for unboxing here. Apple recently released 10th generation MacBook Pro, which I have today in my hand. I am highly excited to unbox it right in front of you. Let's start. The price of 2020 MacBook Pro starts at Australian dollar 1999, which is with 256 GB storage. If you want more storage, then price goes up. Now time to open the pack. I'm highly excited to see it. Wow, it looks so awesome. Let's see what's in here. Here is the charger.
And this is the charger.
Let's take it off. And here you go. And there's some catalog things here. There are some information that you might need to know.
Let's see if there is anything special. And this is the charger.
Finally, the wait is over to see the first impression of brand new 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. Here you go. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel to get up-to-date information on technology and more.